Okay, here we go again. I totally forgot to turn on the recorder. What makes life happy? A strong and healthy body. Well, there we go. So this is going to be a like a hand strengthener, and so it's got a few different devices, and it's by FLYFE. But we're going to check this thing out here. It comes in a cute little bag, so which is nice, and it's super portable, so it makes it good. You can take it with you anywhere. You don't have to only work out at a gym with this. But I was doing this, and I saw that this was super simple. And so it's got that little device that you can turn to make it more difficult. So I just went and cranked it, and just to try to see how strong it would go. And I didn't even get it anywhere near the complete way, but then it went. It was just so hard to do. It just kind of moved that little spring, man, maybe like a half an inch or something, but it made it really difficult to go. It also comes with this little egg device that I was squeezing there, which you can use, in between your fingers or pretty much anywhere. Then it came with this one here with all these little holes in it, and you can stick each of your fingers in it. And it was challenging, man, to open up my hand like that. Look at that. I'm going there, and it was hurting my thumb. I hurt my thumb skiing the other day. So that was really difficult and challenging to do. Probably a great physical therapy kind of device. Then there was this one here, which has like individual fingers, like a trumpet, but they're like springs and difficult to do. So that was kind of cool. And I think there was still another device. What was the other one? It was going to be here I am showing you how to use that egg. So that's kind of just a squishy egg, but it's like solid filled gel or something. So it's not a simple, light air-filled egg. And then here I am opening up the last one. It looks like a dog toy. And you can kind of see it is, it's very much so like those little dog toys, probably made on the same machine, but it gives you the ability to just squeeze it. Just kind of a cool little fidget toy almost that you can kind of play with and do just to get some hand strength while you're just hanging out. So here we go. I'm showing you all the different ways to use all the different components of it, which is basically what I just explained and showed as well. So it does have all these instructions, and it gives you a few other little challenging stretches and things that you can do with it too. With that first squeezer one, it's cool because you can do it with a whole bunch of different ways. I think that's the main component of this whole set is this device here. So you could do it with, like that, using your thumb. I was trying to do it with my thumb. You can do it upside down and get, more strength on some of those other fingers. You can do it, leave a finger out or two out. And what's also cool on it, I'm not sure if I show it here. I think I do. Oh, I do right there. It's got a counter on there. So as long as you are able to squeeze it all the way closed, you'll be able to count up the number of squeezes that you get, which is really cool. I don't think I've ever seen a counter on one of these types of things before. And it seems pretty durable too. Like you can see as I squeeze it down there, it does increment. It's upside down, I guess, but it's hard to really see the numbers on the video. Maybe you can. I can't even see it here while I'm just watching it back. But it's really cool. It's got all the different things. That one there between all these little devices, and it fits all into the cute little bag. I say it's a total thumbs up for me. And you guys should pick one of these up if you can. Very cool.